Students Academy School. Welcome Mr. O.R. Chaudhary, Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Churu, Rajasthan, and Mr. Gopal Kaushik on the virtual inspection of our school. I welcome you, sir. Please come. As you enter our school, the school has a security guard room and it is well equipped with all the equipment required for the safety of the students. As you move ahead on the left hand side, we have a small garden where the children of kindergarten come and play also and have their lunch break. This area leads towards the school ground and this is now I will take you towards the reception. This is the area where all the parents come and are attended to by the school administrative staff. This is our reception. This is the reception area. On the right hand side we have the school administrative staff where the account departments keep records of the fees. And on this side we have the principal office. This is our school account office and the admission cell. All the fees and various important records are maintained here. This is my office, and when we come from this door of the office, just outside the office we have plain a complaint box. As a part of the grievous redressal system, we have this complaint box and this is opened by the principal only. In this, the students can put up any problem they have. Again here we have fire extinguishers, keeping in mind the safety of the students. Inside of the principal's office. As you can see, we have kept all the records for the inspection and the room also has the coverage of the LED for the CCTV cameras. Now I will take you to the academic block of our school. This is the school activity room. She is our teacher, Miss Sangeeta, who takes care of the activity room. This is the place where all the tiny tots of the school have a very good time and do lots of fun activities. They have the blocks here, which helps them to build up the mind and creativity. This is the area where they sometimes sit and relax when they don't feel like doing any activity. These are the vegetable dummies and some of the fruits also, which they touch and feel and do the work. This room also has lots of posters, lot of poems, alphabets. The color charts are also there. The children have a lot of fun activities here. Now, I will take you to the school washroom. We have separate set of washrooms for the boys and the girls. Come, let's have a look. In the midway, we also have lots of dustbin kits for the children where they can also put in the litter when they have the lunch break. These are our washroom area. We have separate set of washrooms for the boys and the girls. A maid is permanently here on duty to keep a track of the children and help them. This is the boys' washroom. We have separate set of urinals for the boys and the washing area also. The washrooms are well equipped with all the requirements for the children. The washroom area is equipped with the camera also to keep a keen eye on all the students. This is the girls' washroom. These are the urinals for the girls. This is the washing area for the students. This is the area where we provide for the drinking water for the students. We also have RO water facility to keep the children healthy and fit. 24-hour water supply is there for the students. Now, I will take you to our primary and kindergarten wing. Let's have a look. As you can see on the walls, we have painted different cartoons so that children enjoy and feel comfortable and have a friendly environment. This is our UKG class. As you can see, considering the small children, the entire furniture is very colorful. The rooms are spacious and airy. We also have CCTV cameras fitted in each class to have a keen eye on the working and everything of the students. We also have an LED installed in the class where smart classes are taken by the teachers and even the videos are shown to the students. These all charts have been prepared by the students and the teachers. All these charts have been prepared by the teachers. As you can see, there are certain things related to the good manners, like saying excuse me, please and thank you, are certain small things which the children use in daily life. This is our school corridor. As you can see, outside each class, we have soft boards which have been made with certain kind of things. This is related to Hindi. As you can see, we also have a fire extinguisher placed on each floor. The safety of the students is of the utmost importance at Ambience Academy. As you can also see, we have softboard here also. These have details of all the freedom fighters of India. An activity was conducted with the students had to put up certain things based on the project given to them. I will take you towards the school infirmary. As you can see, as mentioned earlier also, on each floor we have fire extinguisher. Similarly, on this ground floor as well, we have this fire extinguisher. Safety is the utmost important in Ambience Academy. This is our sick room. The school has a special room to cater to the medical and emergency needs of the students. Ms. Samrita takes care of the students when they have a problem. All the details related to the health and hygiene have been put up in this room. As you can see, this is our height chart. Now, I will take you to the tour of the first floor. As you can see, the walls are very creatively decorated. Floor, and on this we have classes for the middle wing. As you can see, all the classes have soft boards outside them. A competition was organized for the students where they had to put up and decorate their board. As you can see again, we have fire extinguishers on each floor for the safety of the students. Again, this is a board decorated on the theme of Festivals of India. All work has been done by our students. This was decorated on the eve of Holi. This is a board on the means of the transport. Again, this board has been decorated on the theme of good manners. All this work has been done by the students in association with the teachers. As you can see, on each floor we have CCTV cameras fitted. This camera focuses on all the working and the movement of the students. As we come from this lane where the classes are there, again you can see we have fire extinguishers for the safety of the students. And on this side is the softboard for a class. And as you can see here, this is the hose pipe related to the fire extinguishers. As you can see, we also have a dustbin here. A penguin is made. The students can put in all the litter in this after the lunch break. Now, as you can see, again we have a fire extinguisher on this floor. Moving ahead, I'll take you towards our computer lab. Just outside the computer lab is the softboard prepared by our students and teachers together. It has a topic of digital footprint says about you. As you can see, it has all the latest techniques and things used by the people today. This is our computer lab. Before entering in the computer lab, the students remove their shoes here. As you can see, again outside the computer lab, we have a fire extinguisher, keeping in mind the safety of the students. This is our computer lab. We have 20 computers in our room, where 2 students can sit together on each computer. Each computer also has a Wi-Fi facility and an internet connection. She is Miss Sherry, our computer teacher. Now I will take you to the tour of the second floor. As you can see right here, the walls have been very beautifully decorated by our art teacher. Various posters have been placed with quotations related to education. A tree has been made, a tree of knowledge and discipline. He is Gautam Buddha. These again have been made by our students under the. Now I will show you one of our senior classes. This is class time. Keeping in mind the senior children, we have furniture for them like this. Separate, they can sit separately on this. This is a table for them where they can keep all their stuff related to the books and other things. Then this is a podium for the teacher where the teacher can stand and give her lectures. Again in the room we have a CCTV camera installed to keep a sections of class 9, and this is another section for class 9 as well. As we move ahead, after this, on each floor, like we have the washroom. Similarly, on the second floor also, we have a separate set of washrooms for the boys and the girls. Now, I will take you towards our maths lab. This is a soft board outside the maths lab with all the details related to mathematics. Kindly have a look at it. This is our maths lab. Maths lab has all the various instruments required for conducting practicals related to mathematics. As you can see, we have sets, chart papers related to sets, mensuration, shapes and figures, simple equations and time. When you come here, we also have the projects made by our students. These are the projects that our students have made. These are all the things required for the maths. This is construction of parabola. It's there. This is for explaining them the concepts of various maths. Now I would like you to introduce to our maths teacher, Mr. Gurrez.
Hello, first of all, good morning to all. I am Gurrez Alam and I am PG in mathematics and I am also B.Ed. And I am the teacher over here and I teach in class 10 and 9 also. Then these are some apparatus you can see over there. If we talk about these apparatus, so these are some apparatus. So we can see it, we can use of these and we can solve ring of theorem. And these are some also apparatus. This is, we can use of this, we can find the fraction or angle of this. And these are some hollow shapes you can see like a cylinder, hollow cylinder. And this is also a cuboidal shape which is open on the top. And this is a bowl, you can see ball or you can say hemisphere. It is a hollow hemisphere. And we can use of this and we can draw or we can make it parabol. Then these are some shapes also and we can find the similar triangles and these are some triangles or we can prove that or verify that angle some properties.
On this floor again, we have our sports room. Now, I'll take you towards our sports room. Before entering, I would like to show you a board that has been prepared by our teachers and students. This is my sports room. As you enter the sports room, you can see the various games that have been displayed here. This is chess. Then we have table tennis. I would like to introduce my first teacher, Mr. Anush.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. This is our PT table. This is carom and this is chess. इसके अलावा कुछ खेल का सामान हमारा स्पोर्ट्स का आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज का उसमें हमारे स्टम्प्स है क्रिकेट का सामान बच्चों के लिए स्केट्स इसके अलावा कुछ ट्रैक एंड फील्ड से रिलेटेड सारे इक्विपमेंट्स शॉट पुट जैवलिन डिस्कस for PT drill, dumbbells, gymnasium, volleyballs, basketball, footballs, for taekwondo, chest guard, and safety equipments. This camera for safety.
towards our school library. Library is the place where the students come and gain knowledge. Please let us attend our school library.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Sukant Kumar. I am the librarian here.
As you can see here, we have a display board where all the magazines and newspapers are kept. Our school library has a full stock of books as prescribed by the CBSE. As you can see, different covers have been made. This has English storybooks. This has English storybooks, journals. Again, we have various rules and regulations written here for the school library. We have English grammar books here, environmental books, books related to computer, related to maths, related to Hindi. Sanskrit is also taught from class 6 onwards. Sanskrit books are also there. Again, this is where all the newspapers are kept. These papers like Times of India, Hindustan, Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala. Then we have a separate box for the teachers' reference books, books related to science, Hindi storybooks, English storybooks. Like you can see, teachers also come and spend their time here. We also have a camera fitted in this room to keep a keen eye on all the student activities. These are the covers. We have English storybooks here. Hindi storybooks, books for teachers' reference. This is the place where we keep all our newspapers. Now I would like to show you our school accession register. This is the accession register maintained in the library. We have almost 4,700 books maintained in the school library. All this work is done by the school librarian. Next to our library is the physics lab. Now I'll take you towards the physics lab. Before that, you can have a look at the chalkboard prepared outside the lab. This is the physics lab. It has all the apparatus required for conducting various experiments related to different topics in physics. He is our physics teacher.
I am a physics over here. Let me introduce some instruments that we use in physics lab. This is our optical bench which we use to form the image formation for convex lens, concave lens or that is mirror. And this is called the glass lab which is used for the reflection of light. This is a prism, glass prism which we use also for dispersion of light. And this is the hydrometer which we use. This is the turbine part and this is the soft part. Next, this is the voltmeter, which is the high resistance which is used to measure the voltage of the instrument. And this is the galvanometer which we use to show the current in the direction. And this is the resistance box in which there is different resistance shown, that is 1 from 1 to 10,000 ohm. Then that way, if we have to unplug the anyone, that will introduce that ohm resistance, that is 200 ohm or 500 ohm, whatever it is given. This one is called the meter bridge, and this is a variable resistance that is called the rheostat, which has a reading of 50 ohm. This is a Zener diode. Zener diode instrument हम use करते हैं, that we use for VI characteristics of measurement. And this is Ohm's law apparatus which we use to verify the Ohm's law. And last thing, we also have some extra apparatus for the physics lab that we use also. This is a cardboard or whatever this is. This is a screw gauge, extra screw gauge, that is 40 caliper, and this is spring balance. This is a speedometer, this clippers, then extra switch keys with all most of the important things which we use in physics lab is all over here. Battery charger, and this is the step down transformer which we use to regulate the voltage. This is also a battery limiter which we use for the elimination of battery. This is also a Zener diode which we use for VI characteristics, and this is a PNP transistor जो हम यूज करते हैं, that is for NP and PNP transistors के लिए. This is also a wash basin for instrument जो हम यूज करेंगे, that is for any purpose, that is instrument. This is our spring balance which we use to measure the spring balance weight of the measurement. And this is a PN junction semiconductor diode. This is also a semiconductor thing that we use. This is also a transistor part. This is a motor resistance that will be used for effective index of glass. This is also Ohm's apparatus. This is again a PN junction diode, Ohm's apparatus, and this is a battery charger, and this is a battery eliminator. Okay, this is the measurement for the weight measurement of the object. Thank you.
Now I will take you towards our chemistry lab. Before entering it, like can you see, we have a fire extinguisher here and it is valid up to 15 December 2020. Now let's have a look at our chemistry lab. The chemistry lab has been set up as per the CBSE norms. It has all the various chemicals and the test tubes and the apparatus required for conducting various experiments. Various charts are there, charts related to periodic elements. As you can see here, we have a cupboard where all the extra apparatus, extra chemicals have been kept. You can also see here, we have then again we have a cupboard here with all the extra apparatus. Again, as you can see, we have a CCTV camera fitted here for keeping a keen eye on the activities of the students. Now I'll take you towards our biology lab. This is our biology lab as per the CBSE norms. As you can see, all the apparatus required for conducting various experiments related to biology are here. Various chart papers related to plant tissues, animal cells, skeleton of a rabbit. Various microscopes are also there. You can see here. As you come to this side, you can see we have a place where we keep all the extra apparatus related to the biology lab. When you come to this corner, we have a washroom area where the water supply is there always to cater to the needs of the students while performing the experiments. Again, this room also has CCTV camera fitted in it to keep a track and keen eye on the students. This is a table chair where the teacher sits and a big blackboard for explaining the important things related to the experiments. Now, I will take you towards our third floor where we have our art room, music room, chemistry lab and a dance activity room. This is the art room. All this creativity has been done by our art teacher. He is our art teacher, Mr. Sunil. This is the room where all the students come and perform various art activities under the able guidance of my teacher. Different activities and different things are made considering different themes. All this has been done by our students under the guidance of our teacher. These are certain things which have been created by our students. Decorative material. All this has been done by the teachers and students. Again, this room has a CCTV camera installed in it for keeping an eye on all the student activities. Next, we have our dance room, which we also call as an activity room. As you can see, this is very spacious and beautifully made. We also have here mirrors installed. The students perform this activity here. We hire different teachers on the day of the Saturday activity where the students perform dance and they learn various dance forms like Western, classical, Kathak under the able guidance of the trained teachers who come on every Saturday. This is the music system installed. Again, you see we have a CCTV camera installed here for keeping an eye on the activities of the students and maintaining the discipline. Next to this dance room, we have our music room. Music is something which recreates and brings joy to the students. This is our music room, which has all the instruments required for the students. He is our music teacher, Mr. Jay. Mr. Jay would like to play something on the harmonium as well. These are the various other instruments. This is the Casio. These are the drums. All this has been done by our students. This is the place where they take their lessons. And this is the place where they perform all the activities. Again, in this room we have a CCTV camera fitted to have a keen eye on the activities of the students. As per the CBSE requirement for the upgradation, we have vacant classes for our senior secondary class. All the rooms are equipped with CCTV cameras also. This is again one of the vacant rooms. We have one more vacant room. Which is vacant for the senior class. again is a vacant room. Towards our school staff room. As you can see, outside the staff room is a board which has a topic written, choose positivity. Confidence, learning, fun, peace, hope. All these characteristics define and make a teacher. This is my staff room. Staff room is a place where all the teachers sit and relax. Staff room of Agnes Academy is equipped with all the important needs of the teachers. When you enter the staff room, this is a blackboard where all the important instructions are written. Here we have an intercom facility where we can communicate with the teachers. There we have separate set of washrooms, one for the female and one for the male. As you can see, we also have cupboards which are given to the teachers where they can keep all the important documents. Now, I'll make you introduced to my teachers.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I am Ms. Samrita. I am TGT teacher.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Moshmi Baroy. I am TGT. I am taking English lab.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I am Ratnika. I am TGT.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I am Alita Singh. I am TGT.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Myself, Ankush Mehta. I am physical education teacher.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Sajid Kumar, sir, TGT Mathematics.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Zunita Kar. I am a TGT teacher. I take English.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I am Shelly. I am taking computer therapy.
On each floor, we have separate set of washrooms for the boys and the girls. Now, I'll take you towards the boys' washroom. As you enter the washroom, you can see here separate urinals. And this is the washing area. Break. Now, I will take you towards the girls' washroom. As you can see, outside the washroom we have a maid who takes care of the students. This is the girls' washroom. The washrooms are cleaned after every hour and specifically after the lunch break. Cleanliness and hygiene of the students is kept in mind and is of utmost importance in Ambience Academy. Here we have drinking water facility for the students. We also have RO fixed here where the RO water is given to the students. And right here, keeping in mind the security of the students, we have a camera installed as well. I'll take you further towards our school. As you can see, it has a built-up area all around. Now, on this side is our assembly area for a kindergarten. This is the place where we conduct assemblies for kinder section. The children stand here in queues. Now, I'll take you towards our school ground. Now I will show you our school parking area. This is the place where all the school buses are parked. Keeping in mind the security, the students come here and board the buses. This is my school ground. As you can see, it is covered and has a boundary wall on all the sides. We have a boundary wall on all the 4 sides. The approx height of the boundary wall is 10 feet. This is the place where students come and play. Now this is the place where we conduct assemblies for the senior section. Like I told you, we have this school ground. On this, various activities are played by the students. This is the cricket pitch. It is approximately 16 by 10 feet. Our school physical education teacher trains the students on every Saturday under the guidance of many teachers who come from outside as well. We also organize various inter-house championships and activities and competitions. This is our school volleyball court. It has dimensions of 18 by 9 meters. Various competitions, house-wise competitions are organized in this as well. This is our Kho-Kho court. It has dimensions of 27 by 16 meters and it is highly liked by our school girls. A lot of championships and competitions are organized for girls under this activity. This is our Kabaddi court. It has dimensions of 13 by 10 meters. A lot of boys take interest in this and last time we had also organized the championship of Kabaddi.